Next question is, a ray of light sent along the line a ray of light sent along the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0. 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. Upon reaching the line x plus 2y minus 7 equals 0. X plus 2y minus 7 equals 0. Upon reaching the line x plus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0, the ray is reflected. The ray is reflected from it. The ray is reflected from it. Then find the slope of the line. Find the slope of the line containing the reflected ray. Attempt this question. And this is the incident ray. This is the mirror. So the mirror is this one, that is x plus 2y minus 7 equals. We have three methods to find the solution for this. Here this one is what? Incident ray. Incident ray is what? 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. So this is the reflected ray. So this is the reflected ray. So the slope of this one is being asked. Have given three methods. We have three methods to solve this question. To find the reflected, if you get the slope, then you will get the reflected ray also. If this is the point of intersection P, this is the point of intersection of incident ray. This is called as incident ray. This is the mirror. Then this P is the point of intersection of incident ray and mirror. But in question it is given, it is being asked to find only slope. Just slope is being asked. But even you can find a reflected ray equation also. As soon as you get the slope, this point is point of intersection of these two things, point slope form, you can find the reflected ray also. Method 1 is this formula, that is L1. So this is L1 here. Incident ray is L1 and the medium is, the mirror is L2. Required line, that is reflected ray, is L3. This is the question. So L3 is equals to, we have direct formula, means we will derive this from angular bisector concept. L1 minus 2 times of A1A2 plus B1B2, this formula, by a2 square plus b2 square into L2 is equals to 0. Directly you will get reflected ray equation. L1 minus 2 times a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by a2 square plus b2 square into L2 is equals to 0. L1 is this line only. Here 2x minus 3y plus 4 minus 2 times a1 a2 plus b1 b2, that is 2 into 1 plus minus 3 into 2 by a2 square plus b2 square, that is 1 square plus 2 square, that is 5 into L2. L2 is what? This second line, x plus 2y minus 7 equal. Just you substitute. Then you will get reflected ray. Then we can write the slope directly from that reflected ray. So L1 is what? 2x minus 3y plus 4. 2x minus 3y plus 4. This is L1 minus 2 times a1 a2 plus b1 b2, that is a1 is 2, a1 a2 is 1, coefficient of x, 2 into 1 plus minus 3 into 2, 2 into 1 plus minus 3 into 2, 2 into 1 plus minus 3 into 2, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by a1 square plus b1 square, therefore a2 square plus b2 square, 1 square plus 2 square into second line in the sense this mirror, x plus 2y minus 7, x plus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. This is the reflected ray equation. So simplify this one, that is 2x minus 3y. Here you will get a reflected ray also. This is 2 minus 6 by, this is 5, x plus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. Now tell me, what is the reflected ray equation? That is 5 times 2x minus 3y plus 4. Here minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 4 into minus 2, that is plus 8. 8 by 5, 5 here, 8 into what? X plus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. This 10x minus 15y plus 20 plus 8x plus 16y minus 56 equal to 0. Therefore 8x plus 10x, therefore 18x minus 15y plus 16y, just y. Here 20 minus 56, that is minus 36. So this is the reflected ray equation. So what is the slope? Slope is being asked. Slope of the reflected ray is what? Minus a by b, that is minus a18. This is the mirror, this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray, and this one is the normal. This is the normal. We know the slope of this one and slope of this one. So what is the slope of this first line? First line is what? First line slope is what? Minus 2 by 3. Second line, this slope is what? Minus 1 by 2. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. This slope is what? m1 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. Yeah. The slope of this one is what? m2 minus 1 by 2. So this is the normal. What is the normal slope? Minus 1 by m2. The slope of the normal is minus 1 by m2. That is what? 2. Because these two are perpendicular. This angle is 90 degrees. This is the normal. That's why the slope will be. So our requirement is the slope of this one. This is our question. I will not give complete solution. Just I will give the method. So here this angle of incident is I and angle of reflection is R. As we know that angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Therefore this normal, this is what? Normal. Normal is equally inclined with this incident ray and reflection ray. Therefore these two angles are same. Angle between normal and incident ray, angle between normal and reflection ray is same. So apply that one. Therefore I will write the formula and I will leave. Algebra part you can do. Therefore angle between these two things is what? Minus 1 by m2. That is minus 1 by m2 is what? 2. That is, I will write once, minus 1 by m2 minus m1 by 1 plus minus 1 by m2 into m1. This angle. And angle between these two. This angle is equal to this angle. Therefore here what you have? M minus 1 by m2 minus 1 by m2 m minus 1 by m2 by 1 plus m into minus 1 by m2. So just you write down the data. Minus 1 by m2 is what here? 2. Minus m1 is what? 2 by 3. By 1 plus minus 1 by m2 is what? 2. m1 is what? 2 by 3. Is equals to m we need to calculate. M minus 1 by m2 is what? 2 by 1 plus m is our requirement, minus 1 by m2 2. So you solve this equation. So this contains only m only parameter. If you calculate, then you will get m is equals to what? Minus 18. That is only the slope of the required line. This is method 2. So method 3 is this is mirror, this is incident ray. You extend this incident ray. This is reflected ray. So this line incident ray is equals to what is the incident ray? 2x minus 3y plus 4. 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. This one is what? X plus 2y minus 7. X plus 2y minus 7 equals 0. So here third method is you take any point on this line, that is 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0. You take the simple point. You take the point in such a way that you will get the integer coordinates. That is, you take, this is the point of intersection of, this is P. This is the point of intersection of mirror and the incident line P. Then these coordinates you can take simple. Y if you take 0, if you take y coordinate is 0, if y is 0, corresponding x equal to what? 2x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 2. Therefore you take minus 2 comma 0. Any point you can take, this is a simple point, minus 2 comma 0. From here you drop the perpendicular. Therefore this is the image. That is, this is suppose P, this is Q, this is R. Now find the coordinates of R. I will give the method, remaining algebra part you can do. So you draw the diagram and write the data, algebra part you can do. So this is the point randomly I have taken, minus 2 comma 0. So this is the perpendicular, this is the R, image. Already we have the image formula. Suppose this is x1, y1 with respect to this line image. Therefore, how to find the image? Image coordinates are h comma k. Therefore, h minus x1 by h minus x1 by a, that is 1. This is a here, coefficient of x. Next, k minus 0 by b is 2, is equals to minus 2 times, here minus 2 plus, this is 2 into 0 minus 7 by a square plus b square. Therefore 1 square plus 2 square. So with the help of this one you calculate h comma k. That is, you will get this h comma k values. I will give the direct values h comma k is mirror. So p coordinates I will give. This is 13 by 7 and 18 by 7. Coordinates of p are what? 13 by 7 comma 18 by 7. Coordinates of. Next, coordinates of r, that is from this. Therefore the reflected ray is equal to what? The line joining this p and r. Therefore P is what? 13 by 7 comma 18 by 7. R coordinates are what? E coordinates. R coordinates are what? 8 by 5 comma 36 by 5. So, and question is what? Only slope is being asked. Slope of PR is slope of the reflected ray. Therefore slope is what? 36 by 5 minus 18 by 7 over 8 by 5 minus 13 by 7. You calculate this one, you will get the slope is what? Minus 18. This is method 3.